Hello students, in this session we will see the numerical based on the weight of an object on the surface of the moon. So the question is, a man weighs 600 Newton on the earth. Okay, if acceleration due to gravity g on the earth be 10 meter per second square. So the value of g is already given. What is his mass? उसका मास कितना होगा? And the next part is, on the moon, weight of a man is found to be 100 Newton. Okay, weight of a man is found to be 100 Newton. What is the value of g on the moon? Okay, so we need to find out different things. That is, number one, mass of the person on the surface of the earth. Next is weight is already given. We need to find out the value of g on the moon. Because the value of g is not constant, we have already seen that. So it will be different on different celestial objects, that is moon, Mars, Jupiter and other planets also. So we will solve here. First of all, we will note down the given values. That is weight of the person on the earth. That is weight on earth is equal to 600 Newton. And already given here that value of g on the earth, that is ge, is 10 meter per second square. And we know that the weight w, weight on earth, will be equal to mg. We are writing here e in suffix for the earth. So weight on the earth is 600 Newton. And we don't know the value of mass, we know the value of ge, that is 10 meter per second square. Okay, now the value of this value 10 will come in the denominator side and we can find out the mass of the person. So it will be 600 upon 10, we will cancel it out and then we will get that the mass of the person is 60 kg. Okay, it is the mass of that person. Now the next part is that if this person is having mass 60 kg and weight 600 Newton on the earth. Okay, so here is given that on the moon weight of a man is found to be 100 Newton. So weight on moon is 100 Newton already given. Okay, we need to find out the value of g here. Okay, how we can find it? We will solve it by the relation that we have seen in the previous session, that weight of an object on the surface of the moon will be 1/6 of the weight on the surface of the earth. यानी कि अगर हमारा weight earth पे 60 न्यूटन है, it will be 10 न्यूटन on the surface of the moon. Why? Because जो भी moon पे जितना भी weight होता है 1/6 हो जाता है उस weight के जो तुम्हारा weight earth पे है. So here we have seen weight on moon is given as 100 Newton. Now we know the relation that weight on moon upon weight on earth will be equal to, we can put the values of both the weights, that is mgm upon, it will be mge. We will cancel out here m by m because mass is constant everywhere. Okay, so if he is 60 kg on earth, he will also be 60 kg on moon also, but weight will be different. Okay, we need to find out the value of g on the surface of the moon. So we don't know the value of this thing. Okay, so we can easily solve it out, that we will write here it separately and that ge will come in this side in the multiplication form, that is wm upon weight on moon upon weight on earth multiply by ge. Okay students, now we can see here that weight on moon is already given, that is 100 Newton. Okay, and weight on earth is already given, that is 600 Newton multiply by acceleration due to gravity on earth. The value will be 10. So both we can cancel both the zeros and here we will have 10 upon 6 and we will get the value of 1.67 meter per second square. So it is the acceleration gravity, it is the acceleration on the surface of the moon. So we have found the answer, that is mass of the object is 60 kg and acceleration on the moon is 1.67 meter per second square. Here we have another numerical based on the weight of an object on the surface of the moon. So the question is that the weight of a man on the surface of the earth is 392 Newton. Find its mass if acceleration due to gravity on earth, that is E, is given in the suffix. It's 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, so we need to find out the mass on the surface of the earth first. In the second part, if the man were taken on the moon, मतलब वो मैन कहाँ पे गया है, मून पे गया है, what could be his mass, उसका मास कितना होगा, and what can be the weight of that man on the surface of the moon. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the moon. We need to find out gm also. Okay, so let's start it. So the first, it is given that weight on the surface of the earth, that is weight on E, that is earth, is 392 Newton. So find its mass. We know that weight is equals to mg and the value of ge is also given, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, so weight on the earth is 392 and we don't know the mass, we need to find out it, and we know the acceleration due to gravity on the earth, it is already given that 9.8. Okay, so mass will be equal to 392 upon 9.8. Now if we remove this point, we will get a 0. Now if we cancel it by 98, we will get here 40 kg. Okay, it is the mass of the object on the surface of the earth. Now the second, in the second B part, it is asking, it is saying that if the man were taken on the moon, what could be his mass and weight. So in part B, first portion, that is mass of the man on the surface of the moon, it will be constant. Okay students, because mass is always constant, it never changes itself. So if it is 40 kg on earth, then it will also be 40 kg on moon also. Now the next is weight on the surface of the moon. We know that weight on the surface of the moon is equal to 1/6 weight of the surface on the earth, of the person on the earth. Okay, weight, जो भी उस person का weight होगा उसे हम यहाँ पे रखेंगे, हमें पता लग जाएगा उसका weight moon पे कितना है. So weight on moon will be equal to 1/6 multiplied by weight on earth. So what is the weight on earth? It is 392 Newton. Okay, weight on moon equal to 392 upon 6. If we cancel it out, 6 is 36, and again we will get here 32, 6 5 is 30, and it is 65.3 Newton on the surface of the moon. Now in the C part, it is saying that calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the moon. What will be the acceleration due to gravity on the moon? That is gm. So we know that weight on moon upon weight on earth will be equal to g on gravity on moon, that is gravity on the moon upon gravity on earth. Okay, so we need to find out gravity on moon. We can easily calculate it. If gravity on moon this term will go this side in the multiplication form. So we can write it as weight on moon upon weight on earth multiplied by GE. Okay, now we will place here the values. That is, weight on moon is 65.3, weight on earth is 392, and acceleration due to gravity on earth is already given, that is 9.8. Now if we solve this whole term, we will get about the value 1.63 meter per second square. It will be the value of Gm, that is the gravity on the moon. So it is a question based on the weight of an object on the surface of the moon.